Are you tired of spending hours playing games without getting anything in return? Look no further. In this video, we'll unveil a revolutionary app that rewards you for engaging with incredible games. Get ready to cash in on your passion for gaming like never before. Whether you're a casual gamer or a dedicated enthusiast, this app is designed to bring joy and excitement to your gaming experience while also putting money in your pocket. Imagine being rewarded for doing what you love most. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to turn your passion into profit. Join millions of gamers who are already reaping the rewards with this free app. Get ready to level up your gaming journey and start cashing in today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And would be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Say goodbye to endless hours of mindless gaming and hello to exciting rewards and real cash prizes. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join the gaming revolution today. Just Play app, one of the best reward apps for gaming enthusiasts. Just Play rewards you for engaging with amazing games. Cash in on your passion for gaming. Join over 10 million satisfied players who are earning money daily by collecting loyalty points for playing their favorite games. It works very simply. Just install Just Play. Earn loyalty coins for your engagement in games. Redeem your coins for real rewards. With an easy-to-use interface and a wide range of games to choose from, this app ensures that every minute you spend gaming is worth it. Discover a unique collection of games you won't find anywhere else and earn rewards for the time you spend playing them. Enjoy daily payouts every 3 hours, and you can choose between PayPal cash outs or gift cards. Join the Just Play community today and experience a loyalty program that truly values your time and gaming passion while making a positive impact on the world. In the end, thanks for watching the entire video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with others. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.